Oh, sorry. I'm the captain now. This is the pirate ship that we're going on today. So we don't know what to expect, but it should be good. Captain Jack Sparrow, as they say, the Black Pearl. But yeah, it's a wee bit cloudy here today, but hopefully it brightens up. Hello, Captain. How do I look, guys? Is this the new look for me? Alright, let's just take a tour around the boat. We're gonna go downstairs here and see. How you doing? It's pretty cool. I've never been on a pirate ship before, so something different. Like, there's loads of pirate ships here, so it's kind of like a business trade that you do. But yeah, it's just kind of a big boat. And that over there is Susa. That's where we were yesterday. So we kind of got a sense of the city. So we did. So it's good to see it from this perspective. So you can see over here there's another pirate boat. So we're kind of just stationed here at the moment. So I think you could swim in it, but I wouldn't suggest it. There's a few rubbish on the sea. Look at this. Bits floating about on it. Wouldn't be the most healthiest one.
Jump from the top.
But yeah, let's go back to upper deck.
No.
You got a wee bar here. A DJ, and he's driving the boat too. Right, we're gonna go down here and get some free food and see what the crack is. Abort. It's only fish and salad and bread. Not really hungry for that. But you ready for that? Nah, not at 11 o'clock in the morning. It's a bit too much for me, man.
Yalla, big applause everybody for the plastic.
Hello there.
One, two, three. Okay, push. Push. No, one push. Not like this, okay? One push. With all the power. Push. Push. In one, two, three. Okay, push. One push. I'm just joking. Yalla, big applause everybody. Big applause for the plastic.
Madness, eh?
Yalla, don't
I'm
move
too
your
weak for that
place.
shit.
Now we have a fire show.
Oh, fire show. I like to move it. I like to move it. I like to move it. So that was the pirate ship. Ended well, but we danced. Alright, buddy. You okay? You okay, fam? Ah, good. Alright, so yeah, that was it was fun. It was a bit slow at the start when we were kind of waiting about. We didn't see any dolphins, or there was a wee bit of food, but not that much. But we kind of ended at a high there with you know, with the entertainment, so it was fun. So back to the hotel. So now is our first time checking out the beach. The sun is out, clear blue skies. It's touching around 24, 25 degrees. Just perfect, because back home it's around 0 degrees, or like, yeah, about 5 degrees or so, like frosty weather. So we're gonna enjoy the sun as much as we can here. We're not looking forward to going back, but it is what it is. Definitely trying to book holidays around this time of year. It kind of takes the edge off. Let's check this beach out. Right, we got 2 days left to the holiday, and you know, we're just gonna take some time, relax, some cocktails by the beach. That's what we kind of want to do at the sun. We got one more thing to do, and that's the paragliding in the water. So we're gonna find out the price for that, and then we'll see from there. So changing to plan, no paragliding today, but we're gonna do some jet skiing. I've never been on one, so I might as well do it. It's like 90 denim for 10 minutes. So that works out like £30 or something like that there. I don't really know the math, but we'll see anyway. So if you want to protect your stuff, there's a wee cabin back there if you want to.
But if I want, I can keep it, yeah.
Yeah, I can. She can keep back. Yeah.
Okay.
This 90.
90.
Yeah.
Understand?
No? Oh, that's 70. Oh shit. Do you have any? Do you have anything else? No.
More than 20 minutes.
More 20 dinner, not 20 minutes.
Do you have 20 on you? No. Do you have my wallet on me?
You tell me this 90, but you gave me 70.
Yeah, we counted wrong.
This just 70.
Yeah. I'm not smart.
but-
I'm not smart with numbers.
No, it's okay, my friend. Like this 110. Thank you very
Yeah. Ah, no, we're good. Yeah, no worries. Thank you, man.
واقف تعمل حاجة.
Must have counted wrong.
I know I didn't.
Eh?
I know I didn't.
Oh, really?
10 كيلو زي 10 كيلو.
Because now I took out how much
Hmm.
and now I have nothing.
Or maybe I took it wrong. I did the wallet. My wallet. There might be still another 20 in the wallet. Could be scammed again, boys. Excited? That's actually really nice.
Where did you come from, Victor? Come from where?
Ireland.
Ireland.
Yeah, yeah. It's very cold there. It's snowing. Come on, baby! There's some speed in these boys. You give an eye now. Can you see them? They're about to wave a flag when I can't even see them. I'm just gonna keep going until they drive out to me. I couldn't even see the flag.
The sunset, you know.
Thank you, sir.
We'll have jacket to put down this.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Thank you, sir. Enjoy, guys. That's amazing. I have some power in those air jet skis. Oh my god. A few times I thought I was going to fall off, but okay, that didn't come to that point. Alright. I think that's us for today. We're going to go to a Hard Rock Cafe and enjoy a couple cocktails and some food. So we'll cut to that. Alright, we're heading to the Hard Rock Cafe. I've never been to one, so try out the American food as well. We're taking a wee break from our all-inclusive food, which is always kind of like the same near enough throughout, so something different for tonight, and it's our second last night here, so should be fun. We're gonna get a taxi here now, so it's only around the corner, but just to be safe. Right, cut to us to Hard Rock Cafe. Oh, brilliant.
Good price for starter here, cocktail.
Oh, okay, cool. Oh, perfect, perfect. Thank you.
Tropical margarita.
Go for the electric blues. It's gonna blew me away. The strong alcohols. Oh, that's good. It's got like sweet and sour, but then you have Red Bull, and like those two are just like, and then like the alcohol, obviously I think there's like Beefeater gin, and like those combinations are just like, they're clashing. So that's the Hard Rock Cafe completed. So we had a few cocktails there for happy hour, so we're feeling nice of ourselves, so we're gonna head back to the hotel room and call it a night. Let's go. Light her up. Go on, my son. There you are, brother. Take that, my son. Thank you so much. Well, legendary. Bit of drum and bass before we got to the hotel. We're only 3 minutes away. Well, legendary. He's definitely get a 5-star. So these are my final thoughts for Tunisia. Loved it. Didn't expect this. I didn't know what I was gonna expect really. Lovely people. The hotel was amazing. I think, you know, that really topped it off. Here's some tips. You know, if you're ever coming here, if you're a solo traveler or you're a couple, always get cash out. You know, it's best to have cash on you all the time. So, you know, you can tip people, and, you know, if people are giving you an extra service, you can tip them, and they're always like generally wanting to help you more. Also, just be careful who you talk to at times, especially like in the city center. You know, people just love to talk to you and, you know, try to get information off you, and then they try and make you buy things. Like they say, oh, where are you from? And you tell them where you're from, and then say, oh, I love this town, blah, blah, blah. And then they bring you to a shop and they try to sell you something. You know, the best thing you can do is just say hello, not interested, and keep walking. I think that's the best way, because you're just gonna get stopped every single time. If you wanna go for a week, nice relaxing holiday and do activities with children and stuff, just kind of go to Spain or Portugal or those kind of places, because this is more kind of like a solo traveler who wants to like to experience something new, experience a different culture, because that's what you're gonna get here. And if you're a backpacker, it's definitely, it will suit you more, because like there's so much to see, there's so much culture to delve into, and there's a lot of people that are willing to talk to tourists. So that's that. That is the end of the Tunisia travel series. I still think about it to this day. I've been there, it was November, now it's January, so yeah, I still think about it because it was something different. It's a place where I never normally go, and usually you go to these holiday hotspots like Portugal or Spain, and it's still cool to go see it. It's still not up there in terms of the highest tourist attraction, but the people there are more than welcome, and they try their best to make your stay comfortable as best they can. So yeah, I love to get out to do more travel stuff, so I'm still kind of planning on certain places, maybe Egypt. You know, since I've been out that far now, I kind of had a taste of that world, so I love to head out more out there and see what they offer. So if you like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll try and do some more travel content for 2026. I'll see you in the next one.